Hello students, welcome to back my 8th science class. In previous class, I discussed two rules of mathematical problems of chapter 7. We know the name of chapter 7, Earth and Gravitation, and always I have described about these topics related mathematical problems. Now, today also I will discuss about mass and weight related mathematical problem. Already I have written down on one kind of mathematical problem, a whiteboard. Name this mathematical problem: the mass of an object is 32 kg and determine the weight of an object. Determine the weight and object. Again I say, the mass of an object is 32 kg. Determine the weight of an object. We know the formula of weight is W equal m into g, where m is denoted mass. On the other hand, small letter g equal acceleration due to gravity. We know that the acceleration due to gravity are different in different regions in the world. We know the acceleration due to gravity in Earth's surface is 9.8 or 9.81 meter per second square. And we also know in polar region the acceleration due to gravity in 9.832 meter per second square. And in this mathematical problem there is no indicated any region, so we let this object stay in Earth's surface. So we must be used in small g is 9.8 meter per second square. That means Earth surface. Okay, let's go. Our lesson. At first, we find out different quantity from this STEAM or mathematical problems. Mass is given now. At first, the mass of object. The mass of an object. The mass of an object is small letter m equal 32 kg. And now next, the acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity in Earth's surface. Earth's surface is small g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. And now the weight of object. The weight of W equal what? That means we will calculate the weight of object. We know W equal m into small letter g. Here m and small letter g is multiplied each other. M 32 into small letter g 9.8. Now we will calculate this value. That means 32 into 9.8, 313.6. 313.6, and this is the answer for this mathematical problem. And this is, it's a one kind of rules, and we can easily find out weight of any object with the help of this formula W equal m into g. Now I will go to the another rules of mathematical problem. Suppose another mathematical problem, the weight of a stone is 40 Newton. The weight of a stone is 40 Newton. Question: find out find out the mass of a stone. Find out the mass of a stone. This is the another mathematical problem. Now at first we will find out some quantity from these quotients or streams. Given the weight of a stone, W equal 40 Newton, and we will calculate the mass of a stone. The mass of a stone, m equal to what? The acceleration due to gravity. In this mathematical problem, there is no region indicate. So we will suppose this stone stay in earth surface. So the acceleration due to gravity in earth surface is small letter g equal 9.8 meter per second square. Now we know W equal m into g, and from this formula we will calculate small letter m, that means mass of the stone. So m into g we will transfer in left side. On the other hand, W transfer in right side. M, we know m into and g is multiplied from each other in left side. So we will calculate only m. So m stay in left side. On the other hand, g go to the right side, and g is divided. W divided small g. We know that W equal to 40 Newton, small g equal to 9.8. So now we will calculate 40 divided 9.8, 4. That means 4 kg. That means the mass of a stone will only 4 kg. This is the another rules of chapter 7. Now again another rules I will discuss. The mass of a book is 2 kg. This is the stream. Question: find out the weight of book. Find out the weight of book in polar region. That means this book is taken in polar region. What will be the weight of this book? Now we will calculate from this mathematical problem. At first we will find out some quantity from the stream or quotients. Given the mass of book is small letter m equal 2 kg. The acceleration due to gravity in polar region, small g equal to 9.832 meter per second square. We know that this is the constant value. This is the constant value of acceleration due to gravity in 9.832 meter per second square. Now the weight of book W equal what? Again we know W equal m into small g. Small letter m equal to 2 and small letter g equal to 9.832. Now I will calculate now. 2 into 9.832, 19.66 Newton, and this is the result. This is the result for mathematical problems. That means the weight of a book in polar region is 19.66 Newton. That means when this book is taken into polar region, in that case the weight of that book will 19.66 Newton. And today I have discussed 3 rules of mathematical problems of chapter 7, and next time I will discuss another rules of mathematical problem of chapter 7, that means earth and gravitation. Thank you everybody.